Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ninja stars. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 square sheets of paper, ideally 8.5 by 11 inches for a good size. Make sure your workspace is clear and flat. A ruler and pencil can assist with precise folds, and scissors might be handy for any minor adjustments. These simple items are all you need to begin crafting your very own paper throwing star. Now, let's create the 2 base modules. Take 1 sheet of paper and fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to make a center crease. Next, fold both long edges inward to meet that center crease, forming a narrow strip. Fold this strip in half lengthwise one more time, creating a thick, rectangular base. Repeat this exact process with your second sheet of paper, so you have 2 identical, sturdy paper rectangles ready for the next step. With your 2 rectangular bases, it's time to form the star's points. Take 1 rectangle and fold its ends diagonally in opposite directions. For example, fold one end down and to the left, and the other end up and to the right. This will create a distinct Z-like shape, with 2 triangular flaps on each end. Carefully repeat this exact folding technique for your second paper rectangle, ensuring both pieces are shaped identically for proper assembly. Finally, let's assemble your ninja star. Take 1 Z-shaped unit and place it over the other, forming a cross in the center. You'll see 4 triangular flaps and 4 corresponding pockets. Carefully tuck each of the 4 triangular flaps into its respective pocket on the other unit. Ensure all flaps are securely inserted to lock the star firmly into place. Gently flatten and adjust your finished star to refine its shape and stability. You've now crafted a paper ninja star.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.